Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iPhone camera not working. So if your camera is not working on your iPhone, you can see my iPhone camera is not working. So whether the portrait, photo, video, the slow motion, none is working. So here, I'm going to share possible solutions with you that can easily help you to fix your iPhone camera if it is not working. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing that will come to your mind when your iPhone camera is not working is to restart your iPhone. So is that you first restart your iPhone or you shut down your iPhone and then turn it on? So in that case, if you want to restart your iPhone, all you need to do, you want to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, press and hold the power button until the iPhone restarted. And once it's restarted, let's go to the power button and then it should check whether the iPhone camera is working. So go ahead, press volume up, volume down, then press and hold the power button until you see slight power off. Do not let go the power button. When you see slight power off, keep holding the power button until the iPhone is turned off itself and then turned on. So that's one of the ways you can use to check or fix your iPhone camera. And again, another way you want to check out to fix your iPhone camera is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Then under the screen time, click on content and price restrictions. Now, you want to locate allow apps and features. So if camera is disabled here, this may affect your iPhone camera may stop from working. So if you see camera disabled, just go ahead and enable it here. Once enabled, go back and then check whether the iPhone camera is working. If it is still the same thing, then the last attempt you want to try to fix the iPhone camera not working is you want to probably check for the latest update. So if you installed an update in the past days, it could be a glitch from the update you installed, especially if you use developer update like I do. So go to general, click on software update, and then you should see your current software. There you can see I have the iOS 18 beta 4 developer version. So what you want to do here is you want to choose public beta and then wait for the next update. So when the next update comes, you will be able to check for the available update and then update it to override the existing update that caused the iPhone camera not to work. So these three attempts sometimes works, but they are not guaranteed. So the only solution that works mostly when I have my iPhone camera not responding or not working after a developer update is released is to wait for the next update on my iPhone and then the camera will start working again. So you want to try this and see if either of these three approaches works for your iPhone camera and it helps to fix the iPhone camera not working. So please do let me know in the comment section which of the approaches you use to fix your iPhone camera not working. So if you found this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.